Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you an amazing app that will pay you just simply to watch ads. Okay, watch advertisements and get paid. Okay, before I show you the detail of the app, I would like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like my video as well, and also share my video and recommend it to friends. Okay, so today I'll be showing you the amazing app. The amazing app is called an Adquizer. Okay, simply pick up your phone, navigate yourself to your Play Store, make sure you have a network connections, and download an Adquizer from your Play Store. Okay, download an Adquizer from your Play Store. This is the app. I've opened mine. This is the home. You can see. Okay, so this I just downloaded the app and I just tried this and I got 1.4. Okay, so let's see how the ads goes. This is the dashboard of the ads. You see, you can buy airtime and also data etc at a cheaper price on this very platform as well. Okay, so if you are looking for a place to buy a cheaper data, this is the right place. Or if you are looking for a place to be buying cheaper airtime, this is the right place. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do, you keep watching. And on this app again, it's not only when you watch ads you get paid. You sell airtime you get airtime at a low rate and sell it at a high rate. Okay, that is, you can get it at maybe 95 naira, 96 naira, 97 naira and sell it 100 naira. You can still make a profit. Okay, and on this place there is also an amazing program which is called a referral programs. Okay, on these referral programs you can get a commission for every transaction users you referred makes in a year. No limit on the number of people to refer. Okay, this one you can just come to this place, copy this referral code and send it to your friends on social media, anywhere, for them to just sign up and also enjoy this with you. Okay, so the next thing that we need to look at is what said go to the ads view or get paid to watch ads, survey and sponsored posts. Okay, so let's quickly go into that and have a look. Let's click on this. Okay, we have clicked on that and it has navigated us to this very place. Okay, how many ads have I watched? Ad and survey. I have just watched one ads. Okay, how much have I earned from that ads? 1.4. Only 70% of your earning would be added to your transaction wallet. You can revert to default above. Okay, let me just put this off. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to click on start watching ads. You can see the network ads seen today 1. Network ads daily limit is 32. You can see 32 a day. That is, you can earn roughly 50 naira to 100 naira if you are able to see more. Okay, so now I'll click on start watching ads. Okay, so now click on start watching ads. Okay, I think the ads is not yet available for now. So the next thing that we're going to look at is, yes, if you earn money on this very platform, how are you going to take out that money? Okay, how would you withdraw the money? Okay, so each time you see an ad not available, go to your campaign here and you see how many seconds the ad left to display. 49 seconds, 49 minutes, 48 minutes, 47 minutes. Okay, bonus point reward. Okay, let's claim this as well.
Do you want a
So
free and fair
this is
gameplay while
a
playing
credit
what?
bonus. So the
Do
moment
you want to
this
win
ad
and not get
was
cheated on while playing
the
what?
moment this ad
Or do you want to make
for
extra
this
cash while
for
having
9
fun
seconds,
playing
6
what?
seconds
Don't let
and
anyone cheat
something.
you. Play what at your own convenience and have a whole lot of fun by earning some.
Okay, now the ad is done playing. I'll cancel it. You see, bonus claim. The bonus points have been added to your network ads wallet. Okay, this does not add to your daily limit. Okay, this is a bonus. It does not add to my daily limit. Okay, so let's go to my wallet and see what was added. Okay, Okay, current pay ads. Current pay ads, you see, I have 2 naira. Payment threshold 18 naira. Total end today 0. Total ads watch, I've watched 1. Daily ads limit, I have 32. Currently I am active. Okay, you have not reached your withdrawal threshold yet. Okay, you know, from 18 naira above you can withdraw. The lowest you can withdraw from this place is 18 naira. Okay, so let me see the campaign. Okay. Okay, so there are some games also you can play, but what I want you to see right away is how to withdraw money from this very platform. Okay, it's how to withdraw money from this very platform. So you can come to this place and say set up or edit withdrawal proceed. Click on this. You click on this, click on proceed. If you click on proceed, it will bring you to bank withdrawals. Okay, on this place you add the bank limit, you add the bank account. Okay, account holder name, you put your name here. Account holder number, you put your account number here. You see Access Bank, UBA, you make a choice of your bank here and click on save bank. Okay, so that whenever you want to withdraw, your bank will just appear and you withdraw in a very safe manner. Okay, so that is for that. Let me go back to my campaign and see what's going on there. Let's watch one ads together. This place is where you visit the advertiser. This place is where you visit the advertiser. If you want to advertise your own product here, you can come here and create your own ads, and people will keep watching and you'll be the one to pay them. But on this case, we are here to work. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it simply works. All you just need to do, go to this place, wait for your ads to pop up. When the next ad pop up, this place will turn blue. Once it turns blue, click on watch ads. Okay, click on watch ads. Once the ads is completed, you cancel and the money will automatically reflect on your wallet. Okay, so as you can see down here, you can buy airtime here, you can buy data, you can pay your electricity bill. There are a lot of things actually you can still do from this place and earn money. You can transfer the money, you can pay DSTV, GoTV, you can take a tutorial here, start times, and now as well scholarship. Okay, you can as well fund your account here in order to perform all these activities above, right? So the next thing that you just need to do is to come to this place and click on fund. Okay, they accept card payment and also token payment. Okay, if you want to make a card payment, you add your card here, add the whole detail of your card, and everything will be secured. Everything is secured, but actually you can still make your own research on this very app and see if it is actually good for you. If you want to buy airtime, you can come to this very place, put your input your number here, take a volume of the card you want to buy, proceed to buy. Okay, if you want to buy Airtel network, you want to buy airtime network amounts, you see this is how you fix it. Whatever network you want to pick, you choose it here. Okay, so the discount here is 0.3, you pay 99.7, though it's not that much, but it's something. If you want to buy data as well, you can come back to this place and pick your data. Let's see data they have. Airtel 40 MB data bundle is 15 naira, discount 49.85, or though this one here not that much though, but you can do it to kind of keep yourself busy. Okay, so I will kind of be stopping here today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for being with me. If you do have any question, please do not hesitate to drop it at the comment section and I will attend to it ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for sticking to my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. If you have not liked my video as well, please do to help. And I'll stop here to for the sake of the video. Okay, thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.